Nature is full of astonishing mysteries that often unfold silently around us, yet they hold the key to life's most fundamental processes that reflect the hidden magic of life. One cell divides, multiplies, and somehow builds a living system. What happens when a tiny seed, often no bigger than a grain of sand, lies dormant waiting? It contains the entire blueprint for a new plant. When it finds the right environment, moisture, warmth, and oxygen, it awakens. Stages: imbibition. The seed absorbs water and swells. Activation of enzymes. Stored food inside the seed gets broken down to fuel growth. Radicle emergence. The first root pushes out to anchor into soil. Shoot emergence. A tiny green shoot rises towards the sun. Photosynthesis begins. Why it's magical? From a seemingly lifeless object emerges a complete organism that grows into a tree, a flower, or a fruit-bearing plant. It's the rebirth of life in nature. Cells, perfectly choreographed, to build a plantlet and then a complete life. That's nature science. And that's the silent miracle unfolding secrets of life. Nature is ultimate. Please like, share, and subscribe.